Welcome to PCDOTS Solutions. In this video, we will introduce the effortless way to convert mbox files and folders. Let's start by downloading PCDOTS MBOX-Converter tool on our machines. Now, go to the Open tab. Software support mini email client and file format, choose as per your requirement. Then select mbox file option and choose file and choose folder to load mbox mailboxes in the software panel. As you can see, different folders listed in the software interface on the left. After that, click on that mbox folder, and emails are listed one by one. Now, tap on the mbox email that preview you want to see in the software interface and get the view. Tool preview the email content and other information. If that mbox mail includes attachments, this tool allows you to open, save, and save all in one tap. So, choose as per the requirements. Now, go to the Export tab that lists multiple saving options. An extract option is available to take out email addresses, phone numbers, and attachments from mbox files. Select PST option from the Export option list. Now select folder for conversion. Then, click on Browse and specify a location on your system to get the final results. As you can see, there are many options available in the software panel. So let us understand them, and then you decide whether to enable this option. The first is open folders after export is done. If you enable this feature, then the target folder where the output file saved gets automatically opened after the conversion. The next one is to create empty folders. Please disable this option so that you can avoid creating empty folders. The other one is to delete old folders. If you want to delete previously converted data from the destination folder, then please enable this option. Next is an include email header. We recommend you to disable this option to remove headers from your output data to reduce output file size. This time, first, check and uncheck the required folders to convert Outlook into EML format. Finally, go to the Save button and see the live conversion of emails into PST file format. After some time, a complete conversion message pop-ups on your screen as shown in the video. Once the task gets completed, you get a successful message. Click on the OK button and go to Open Folder. Now, you will see the resultant folder. Click on it and see the emails and PSD files. That's all for this video. If you have any questions, please leave in the comment box. To watch more videos, please subscribe to our channel. Have a great day.